In today's episode, you'll discover practical phrases and expressions. Using stories is an effective way to enhance English skills. Title is A Mother's Love. In a cozy cottage in Willowbrook lived Lily and her mom, Sarah. They shared adventures in the woods and laughed under the sun. Lily admired Sarah's kindness and wisdom. As Lily grew, Sarah stood by her, guiding her through life's ups and downs. With Sarah's encouragement, Lily found her love for storytelling. She spun tales of their adventures, filling their home with joy. Sarah listened with love, nurturing Lily's creativity. As time passed, Lily became a confident young woman, ready to explore the world. Sarah watched with pride as Lily spread her wings. Though they were apart, their bond remained strong through letters and memories shared. In every step, Lily carried Sarah's lessons of love and resilience. Their bond, built on laughter and love, would forever be a guiding light in Lily's journey through life.